Are you currently living at home or sharing your space with roommates? Do you find yourself dreaming of the freedom and independence of living on your own? Before taking that next step, make sure you're aware of the many costs of living alone. Let's get the most obvious thing out of the way. You're going to be on the hook for everything. If you were living at home with your parents, there's a good chance you weren't contributing to things like rent or mortgage, and utilities like electricity, water, gas, internet, cable, and subscription services. Of these expenses, your rent will likely be the largest each month. You'll also find your options for housing are going to be more limited based on how much you can take on financially. A 3-bedroom apartment is affordable when you have 3 people splitting rent, but not so much when you're just one person. In most cases, a 1-bedroom apartment will run you about $1,500 per month. Your mandatory expenses will also include about $150 per month for electricity and utilities, $80 for internet, and a few hundred more for necessities like groceries and transportation. There's also your phone bill, renter's insurance, food delivery, travel, and if you have a pet, any costs that come with that. Once you're living by yourself, all these costs are passed on to you, and budgeting becomes necessary to keep all the bills straight. The final hidden cost of living alone is the burden of chores, upkeep, and problem solving becoming your responsibility. Splitting chores and bills with roommates won't be an option anymore. It's important to think about all these costs and situations when you're making your decision. Living on your own comes with a lot of responsibilities, but it gives you the independence and freedom to carve your own path. It's all about weighing out your options and finding the smartest option for you at this time. Florida Credit Union is here to help with guidance and info on any and all your banking needs. Be sure to visit flcu.org to learn more. Florida Credit Union, member-owned, community-proud since 1954.